Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Dollar Bead box for June of 2025. I have a coupon code BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first box with them. This Dollar Bead box is it's $19.50 a month, and then I also get the Dollar Bead bag, which is $8 extra. You get 8 strands of fire polished beads for $8, so $1 a strand is very cheap, and their fire polished beads are beautiful. You can add that monthly to your subscription box, and or you can just get a one-time purchase for $10 for the 8 strands. So let's go and open this up. June 2025. A fresh picked flowers for a lovely start to summer. This month's box is inspired by the simple beauty of June blooming petals, ripe berries, and lush green leaves. You've gathered a mix of pinks, reds, and greens to spark your creativity and celebrate the season's charms. Okay. So this is the $8 bag. Look how pretty these are. Yeah, these look like the green would be the stem, and then these would be the flowers. I have a whole stash of these. I save these every month, the ones I don't use. And so let's put this aside and see what. Ooh, oh, we got some really cool green. Oh, look at these pretty sugar skulls. We got some red. We got a cabochon. Love these. Oh, look at the pretty flower bead. Oh, and we got some more tulip beads. And some more flowers. And, oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Toggle clasp. Oh, and some of these goodies. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off with the Dollar Bead bag. And the first one is pink opal or raspberry copper. And this is a 3mm strand. It's definitely the pink opal. Look at that sparkle on that. Ooh, I love this. So pretty. So pretty. We got that. And then we have the crystal vitriol green purple. Dollar Bead box has the best fire polish beads. And I mean, if you bought this in the store, this would be like $5. Like $3 to $5. It's $1. So you can't beat that. And what's great is each month you get 8 new strands, and if you don't use them to build up your stash. And the next one is garnet or matte garnet. I'd say this is the matte garnet. And then next is the matte watermelon. It's so pretty. It does look like watermelon if you cut a watermelon. Got the green on the outside and that reddish pink on the inside. And then the 4mm, this is the pink opal or rose gold. It's one or the other. I got the pink opal. So I got it in 3 and 4, which is nice to have it on both sides. And the next one is garnet. And so I got it in 3 and 4, which is nice. And then next is the apple green. This is really pretty. Reminds me of that candy we used to get. I forgot the name of that when I was a kid. Those colors. Oh, and this is matte light peridot. So here we have the 8 strands for the month of June. Look how pretty they are. So here we have those, and now we're going to get on to the box. Okay, so we're starting with the 5mm check fire polish in light green AB. So we have it in 5mm, and then we also have it in 4mm. And the 4mm is longer. The 5mm has 25 pieces. This has 50 pieces. So look how pretty that is. And then next, I love getting these. This is the 7-inch check glass beaded chain, green mix or coral mix. And this is fun because all you have to do is take this and just put a lobster clasp on and a jump ring, and you have a bracelet. I mean, it's that simple. Look at the beads. Each one of them is just a little bit different. And next is the 6mm Lucerna Bicone Kelly Green or Lemon Seafoam. I think this is Lemon Seafoam. Very pretty. There's 25 pieces on this. Next is the 4mm Check Glass Pearl in Celadon, 40 pieces. And then the last for the strands is 2mm dyed jade, and it's a 14-inch strand. It's a 14-inch strand. It's either ruby or jade. So these are really pretty. These are really pretty for weaving. You want to weave the beads. So look at all these beads already. Whew. So much fun. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to get to the beads. The first one is 18mm Check Glass Rose Soft Lavender 1 piece. Oh, this is really pretty. It's got that gold etching on it. If you kind of see it down there, it's more clear on there and pink on the other side. The hole's right there. Very pretty. And next is 17mm Check Glass Faceted Half Drilled Cabochon in Speckled Green. Oh, this is pretty. 1 piece. And it's, if you could see it there, it's domed, so it's not flat on one side. And there is a tiny little hole drilled right there. So you got that. And next is 12 by 16mm Check Glass Tulips in Matte Crystal Burgundy Wash, 4 pieces. These are so pretty. These are really pretty as dangles on like a bracelet. Little charm dangles you can make by just putting a little head pin in there and making those. They're so pretty. And they're see-through like that. So next is, oh, look how cute these are. 17 by 20 Check Glass Sugar Skulls, green with bronze wash, or green with pink wash. I think, yeah, this looks like pink wash. That one's a little lighter on that side. Look how cute these are. Summer Sugar Skulls. Love them. So cute. Okay, and next is 14mm Check Glass Button Bead in Peach. Oh wait, I'm sorry. 5 by 15 Check Glass Large Hoe Celtic Blocks, Light Sage or Dusty Rose, 3 pieces. These are so pretty. I love getting these. I always use these up every month when we get them. And now are the 14mm Check Glass Button Beads in Peach, 2 pieces. Look how pretty these are. These are fun. These are great for just a pair of dangle earrings. Okay, and next is 8mm Check Glass Acid Etched Druck Pink or red, 4 pieces. This, of course, is red. It's a really deep red, too. It's kind of like Lucille Ball lipstick red. Anybody watch Lucille Ball back in the day? She used to wear that red lipstick. That's what this reminds me of. And next is 18mm Heart and Key Charm Set Antique Copper, 1 set. So you have a toggle clasp here. It's so cute. Or you can use this as a charm. I mean, you could dangle these. You could make a pair, what would be cute is make a pair of earrings and use this on one and that on the other, like a set. That would be really cute. Put them at the bottom. There's a lot you can do with these. That mix match stuff. And next is 6x8mm check glass faceted rondelles, Ruby AB 6 pieces. Oh, I only got 5 pieces. Did I drop one? No, I don't think I did. Okay, so I only got 5. But look how pretty those are. Oh, look at that sparkle. Oh, it's kind of... Darn, wish I would have got 6. Now these would be good for earrings. I'd be short on one. And next is 12mm check glass Druck red travertine or green travertine 1 piece. This is so cool. I don't know if you can see the colors on it. It's really cool. And next is 15mm check glass flower beads rose gold 2 pieces. So this is the front and then this is the back. So these are so pretty. I have a lot of these in like every color from these boxes. I keep them. And last but not least is 8mm check glass ladybugs in maroon, 10 pieces. Look how cute these are. Ladybugs. Oh my gosh. How cute are those? I don't know if you can see the etching on them or not. I'm trying to get them close enough, but I don't know if it gets blurry. How cute are these? Well, as usual, Dollar Bead Box sent us a great box for the month. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing for June of 2025. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. And I will leave a link to their website below and the coupon code, so you can just copy it and paste it right in. And stay tuned because I'm definitely going to be making something with these gorgeous beauties. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And all of my social media links are below, as well as my Etsy store if you're interested in any of my jewelry. I have it below and there as well. And I hope you enjoyed this and you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.